ಹತ್ತನೇ ತರಗತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಏಜು ಆಲ್ರೌಂಡರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈಗ ನಾಳೆಯ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತವಾಗುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾದರಿ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ, ದಿವಾನಿ ಅದಾಲತ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ವಾರನ್ ಹೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್. The main reason for Second Anglo-Mysore War was the British captured Mahe. The Indian foreign policy was formed by Jawaharlal Nehru. The oldest port of India is Chennai. The significance of the Article 17th of the Constitution is eradication of untouchability. The leader of the Narmada Bachao Andolan is Medha Patkar. The true development of India is the development of villages. This was told by Mahatma Gandhi. Ramesh has a 5-year-old daughter. He decided to save money to his daughter wedding in future. The best suitable bank account is recurring deposit account. Who wrote the book Satyartha Prakasha? Dayanand Saraswati. Why did Francisco de Almeida implement blue water policy? The supremacy over the sea instead of supremacy over land. How is social stratification formed? On the basis of income, education, caste, color, gender, occupation, intelligence, etc. of the people. What is communalism? Segregation in the name of religion, creating hatred and cultivating opposite self-interest. Mumbai is known as the Manchester of India. Why? It is the most popular center for cotton textile industry. Why will be the temperature high during March and May in India? The sun's rays fall vertically over the northern hemisphere. What is meant by decentralization of power? Providing the administrative power and the responsibility of developing the village to its own people. Why is the Reserve Bank of India is called Bankers Bank? All the banking transactions in India are controlled by RBI. Answer the following question in 2 or 4 sentences. Nodi, what are the objectives of Indian foreign policy, or what are the causes of unemployment? Nodi, ಇಲ್ಲಿ choice ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Objective of Indian foreign policy: national security, enriching economy, cultural values, increasing the number of friendly countries, world peace, coexistence. Increasing the population, improved technology, shortage of natural resources, over-dependency of agriculture, ruined cottage industries, lack of skill-based education. Explain the Appico movement, or explain the different forms of social stratification. Nodi, Appico movement began in 1983 from the farmers of Salyani village in Uttar Kannada district of Karnataka. The farmers hugged the trees and protested in Kalase forest to stop smuggling of trees, growing the trees and plants, develop awareness of the importance of environment. Explain the different forms of social stratification. Forms are not similar: primitive society, slavery, estate system, Varna system, caste system. What were the causes of First Anglo-Maratha War? The Marathas installed the Shah Alam II back on the throne of Mughal Empire in Delhi, Kora and Allahabad. To Marathas, the enmity between the Maratha and British infighting for the Peshwa post Raghoba approached the British. How was Junagadh merged with Indian Union? The king of Junagadh wanted to merge his province with Pakistan. People came on to street against the king. The king fled the kingdom. Based on the request made by the Diwan, the army was sent Junagadh was merged with India in 1949. Soil erosion is increasing in recent years. Why? Deforestation, overgrazing, unscientific method of cultivation, over-irrigation, manufacture of bricks, tiles and pots, floods and landslide. Irrigation is very essential in India. Why? It needs a regular and sufficient supply of water. Agriculture in India depends mainly on monsoon rainfall. It is seasonal, uncertain, and unevenly distributed. There are certain crops which require larger and regular water supply. Therefore, irrigation is very essential. Next question, 23rd. Per capita income cannot be true measure of nation's development. Why? Per capita income does not consider the distribution of income among the people. It does not consider the availability of basic amenities like food, shelter, education, health, or other similar social factors. March 15th of every year is celebrated as the World Consumer Day. Why? In the history of World Consumer Movement, March 15, 1960 is an important day. The President John F. Kennedy gave the Americans right to safety, choose, information, and heard. In answer the following questions in 6 sentences points each ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಭಾಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಹಾಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. The name of Sangoli Rayana has remained famous along with the name of Rani Chennamma. How? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 6 ಕ್ವಶನ್. The role of Raja Ram Mohan Rai in reforming Indian society is memorable, justify. ಇದು ಒಂದೇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸಂಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ರಾಯಣ್ಣ. Next it is about Rajaram Mohan Rai. ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಝೋನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು 6 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Next, the Panchayat Raj institutions play an important role in the rural development, substantiate, or women self-help groups are supportive to women's empowerment, justify. ಇದು ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ರಾಜ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಇದು ವುಮನ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಇನ್ನು ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇದು. ಇನ್ನು ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನಾನ್ ಕೋಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್. 29th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ. Next, 30th question. What were the causes for the discovery of a new sea route to India? 31st question. Russia has supported India in many situations. How? 32nd question. What are the facilities available for the organized sector laborers? 33rd question. Explain the methods of conservation of forests. Answer the following question about 8 sentences points each. 4 marks each questions ivu. Explain the role of extremists in the freedom struggle of India or explain the effects of British education in India. ಇದು ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮಿಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. Role of extremist. The first war of Indian independence failed due to various reasons. Justify. Next, 36th question. Which are the measures taken by the government to improve the status of women? Mention the causes for earthquake and its effects. 37th. Draw an outline map of India and mark the following. And Kandla, Konkan Coast, Hirakud Project, Amritsar. ನೋಡಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ತೆಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಪನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಮೃತ್ಸರ್, ಕಾಂಡ್ಲಾ, ಹಿರಾಕುಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಕೊಂಕನ್ ಕೋಸ್ಟ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗೋಣ.